Never ask a woman. This question, men make mistakes with women all the time. Some are small, easy to fix. But there's one question, just one, that can destroy everything in seconds. You ask it thinking you're showing interest, that you're getting closer to her. But in her mind, the moment those words come out, something shifts. And the worst part, she won't tell you. She won't show her real reaction. But inside, her attraction drops instantly. And what's that question? What are we? The moment you say it, something inside her turns off. Because attraction doesn't work with certainty. It works with mystery. Women aren't drawn to men who need confirmation. They're drawn to men who are confirmed. If you've ever asked this question and noticed things changed afterward, now you know why. And I get it. Right now, you might be thinking, but if I don't ask, how do I know where we stand? The answer is simpler than you think. By the way, are you subscribed to this channel yet? If not, do it now, because here, we break down everything no one tells you about women. Here's the truth. Women are never confused about a man they truly want. If a woman wants you in her life, you won't have to ask. You'll feel it. Her attitude, her effort, her energy. It all tells you without her saying a word. But if you feel the need to ask, you already have your answer. And this is where most men think the problem ends. But it doesn't. There's something worse. If you asked this question and noticed her attitude shift, that means she already saw you as an option, not a priority. And when a man starts feeling insecure in the relationship, things fall apart even faster. He starts giving more than he should. He starts seeking validation. He starts losing himself. And when you lose yourself, you lose her attraction. But here's the real solution. Instead of seeking confirmation, become the man who doesn't need to ask that question. Focus on your path, your goals, becoming the best version of yourself. When you do this, something shifts in the dynamic. You're no longer the one looking for answers. Now she's the one trying to make sure you're still there. Women are drawn to men who don't need them to define the relationship. So now you know. Never ask this question. And if you have before, learn the lesson. If you want to understand how to read the signals she's actually giving you, watch the next video. Because there, I'll break down exactly what it means when her attitude changes without saying a word.